name is Russ Haas. I'm a second grade teacher in Sheboygan Area School District. Done majority of my years here at Lincoln-Erdman, 21 years total.
First and foremost for me is relationships with students. They just flourish in his room because they feel valued, they feel safe.
Teaching is an opportunity to make a difference. Where I get to be a part of their lives, they get to influence me, and we get to learn from each other.
He's got a great attitude, comes to work every day, giving 100%. He's had a veteran team for a long time, and he's got 2 brand new teachers on his team this year, and he's just done a great job modeling who we are at Lincoln-Erdman and who we are as teachers.
I would describe Russ as creative. He always has some of the best experiments and activities that he has planned. It's been super helpful for us as first-year teachers.
Today, for example, I had the opportunity to make oobleck with my students, which I had never done before. The process was almost a complete failure, but there was a lot of learning there, a lot of laughter.
Once I found out that Russ would also be my mentor, Erica and I, we were both very excited and knew that we would be in great hands with him.
Russ is one of those teachers that just goes above and beyond for all kids.
I hope they remember how I made them feel. I want them to enjoy school. I want them to arrive with a smile on their face and leave with enthusiasm to return the next day. And if they do that, I feel like I've done my job as a teacher.